Hi boys and girls, how are you today? I was just starting to work on my data sheet for the experiment today. Boys and girls, are you ready to be scientists with me today? Great. Today you're gonna need an egg, spoon, a jar, and 1 cup of white vinegar. And we are going to learn the effect that the vinegar will have in our egg. Are you ready? Great. The first thing I want you to do is to prepare your data sheet, and that's what I was working on. So you're gonna write a Bouncy Egg Experiment data, and you're gonna put I see and I wonder. And you're gonna divide your paper in 3 parts, day 1, day 2, and day 3, because the experiment takes 3 days to work the best. So in my case, I was just looking at my egg, and what I noticed, can you see it? I noticed that my egg is quite small, fits right in my hand, and also is white, and the shell feels quite hard. And I don't want to drop it because you know what happens when you drop an egg? Exactly, frogs. That is not good, and I don't want that to happen. Next, I wrote this already on my day 1, so I put my egg is white and feels hard. And then in the I wonder page part, I put the I wonder what will happen with the egg. Maybe nothing will happen. Or something may have to happen. If not, will not be an experiment. And then my second question for I wonder was if the egg will change in any way. Okay? You can also take pictures and then collect it with your data. That's very important. So I have already my data here, and now we're gonna start with the experiment. So I put my egg inside my jar very carefully because we don't want any crack on it. Next, I'm gonna pour very careful my vinegar, and I'm gonna make sure my egg is fully covered. And now I'm going to look at it, and I see right now my egg is sizzling, like you have little bubbles that are outside my shell. So I'm gonna bring it close to you so you can see what is happening. So if you look close, you will see little bubbles that are forming outside the shell. And that I also gonna put it on my day 1. So I did my first observation, and now my second observation, I'm gonna put I see little bubbles outside the shell. So I completed this. And boys and girls, this is fascinating. I can see the bubbles. Can you see it? Oh, that is amazing. So after day 1, you're gonna keep looking throughout the day because you're gonna see few things happening. And tomorrow, you're gonna look at your egg again. So you can ask your mom or dad to help you with a spoon. You carefully gonna take your egg out, and then you're gonna make the observations and write it down on your data. I did this already, and I wanna show you the egg after 3 days. So I'm gonna hold it very careful because I don't want this to break. Now come close to you and look at the egg. Feels bouncy and soft. Now, boys and girls, if your mom and dad said that's okay, you can use a flashlight and put a flashlight on one side of the egg and see inside. The longer you keep the egg, the membrane of your eggshell is gonna be a little bit every day, a little bit thinner, so you can see inside. So I'm gonna take the egg that we put today, because I'm gonna put it back in the vinegar later, because I want you to see the difference. Boys and girls, can you see the difference in the eggs? You see, this egg already changed. This one here looks bigger and doesn't look white anymore. So what you're gonna do, if that was already day 3, you're gonna collect that data. If you can at home, you can take pictures, so then you can put your own scientist book notebook and keep all your experiments in there. So boys and girls, I know it's a very simple activity to do, but you will have a lot of fun with it. I have a little challenge. If mom and dad said that's okay, what you can do 2 eggs in different jars, and in one you're gonna cover with toothpaste. So you're gonna put a little toothpaste, cover it all around, and then you're gonna put the 2 eggs and the vinegar, and you're gonna have 2 different data sheets, and then you're gonna see what is the difference. I'm not gonna tell you because it's your challenge, but if you do the challenge of the 2 eggs, you can send me your pictures and tell me what you had investigated and how your experiment showed the results. So boys and girls, have a beautiful day. Remember, be kind, be respectful, and today is Grateful Day. So we're gonna be sure to say thank you to the people in our home. Don't forget to love your parents, be respectful, be helpful, be kind, and always love yourself. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.